Assam Rifles has been accused of supporting Cocomi militants and exacerbating violence which continues unabated in the state. Somendro Tokchom, coordinator of Cocomi, made these remarks during a press conference at their office in Imphal. He stressed the urgent need for both the people of Manipur and the central government to examine the ongoing violence. He also referenced statement from a retired Additional Director General of the Central Reserve Police Forces who has extensive knowledge of northeastern states, particularly Manipur. Various political figures including Manipur Speaker Tokchom Satyabarta, Forest Minister Tongam Bishojit and Social Welfare Minister Heikam Dingo, alongside other ministers and MLAs, have also urged the central government to withdraw Assam Rifles from the state to restore peace and normalcy. He also highlighted allegations that some Assam Rifles officers were involved in narcotics trade in Manipur, cautioning against treating Manipur under colonial-like rules. He criticized the ceasefire agreement between Cocomi militants and Assam Rifles, linking it to increased poppy cultivation in areas where Assam Rifles battalions are stationed, as well as the establishment of new villages under their supervision. Somendro concluded by announcing Cocomi's intention to submit a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the President of India, addressing this issue and advocating for peace restoration and the removal of Assam Rifles from Manipur.
Drug gets over Kanoma when a my own Kudigi, woman to war of drug Lautokana, the Tonga, Nova, Cookie, Kunmayama, Quincy 1947, who spoke the missing was started my foot and Gakre. As Gumayam, Kanaga Lapunato, you know, Hibamatam Nangsagi, Matam Sanga, we sing alone. Narco-terroristic taboxim, Yokshan Bagi, it's over. Mami Matab, Hibri, Mapam. Hagi and Hanky Kankayata. I don't know Madame Warga Hogi, away Manipur, Songaribal Lanze Santamamba, Hiva Quiki reports, one Maming Mandagazu, Matam Chang letter, but having us some like Panse, Lautok Punatragadi, Manipura Quaki, Pizza Sequoia restored to Wangamoy having other piece series stored on J. Hargadi, High Bupiram reports, a sequoia, Lautok with the Makta, Aquaki, Cocomi, and the Prime Minister Memorandum Tarni, President Tarni, Adomasi Lokuna Bahani. Masigi Tangnabasida, Manipur Tongan, but Yamsu, Cocomi, Auxiliary Tabak, Saru Yavu, have a welcome Christy, and Jagatin.